Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your MidJourney AI image creator. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you create a folder in MidJourney? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create folders in your MidJourney anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're creating a lot of images in MidJourney, you can know that they can become kind of cluttered. So if you organize them in folders, it's going to help you keep track. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MidJourney account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MidJourney account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create some folders for your MidJourney images, here on the left, you want to click on Organize. Once you click on Organize, you're going to see all of the images you've created in MidJourney. And in order to create a folder, up here on the top right, you're going to click on Organize. Once you do that, you're going to see this button here, Folders, and you want to click here on Create Folder. Okay, so here you can go ahead and create a folder. So my recent images are of the beach. So maybe I'll go ahead and put this as my beach folder. All right, once you do that, go ahead and click on folder. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see that folder appear right here. So we have all images and then we can separate by beach folder. And if you click on all images, if you want to move some of these images over into a different folder, all you're going to do is just click on the image. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and highlight. So just grab it and grab all the images. Once you highlight them, they're going to shrink. Or you can go ahead and click on the shift key on your keyboard and then just start choosing the images that you want to add into the folder. Once you've selected the images, go ahead and just grab them and you're going to see them drag out. So you can see there's 4 and all you're going to do is hover over the folder and drop them. Okay, so now all of my 4 images right there are going to be in my beach folder. Now, if I want to move them into a different folder, I'm just going to do the same thing. Just highlight them and maybe I'll move them over into a new folder. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a folder and organize your images in MidJourney, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.